Good are the gone days, for we used to do more extraordinary things in a traditional way, with no contradiction nor fear. We used to carry Mahindi Choma in our uniform's side pocket to school, but nobody asked us. Tulivaa nguo imeraruka kutoka nyuma, but it was nobody's business other than your business. Our home screens used to be black and white, with a beautiful signal notice to mchele format. We enjoyed watching. We used letters to express our love when interested. Shaving our heads was done naturally by use of laser braids. Nobody asked us. Happy are those days, but where are these people? They are wanted back by Kenyans. Yona from Yona reports. In case you got yourself entertained but also informed on people's lifestyle, Yona Reports is your all days informer but also entertainer. Keep on watching. The more contents that we keep on uploading on YouTube as you can. Many more content coming on the way. Yona Reports, we got you.